Hi everyone. I just want to share to you my graphics card repair tool. So here it is. Basically, it's just a riser and couple of wires. So I am using this to test any GPU when I'm checking voltages. You can get a riser and these cable wires online. It's not expensive. So okay, to make this, you just need to connect all the yellow wires together, which is the 12 volts, and the black wires all together, which is the ground. And then connect it to your DC bench power supply and set it to 12 volts and 5 amps. You can also use this 6-pin to dual 8-pins converter to extend. Or when you are testing a GPU that has dual 6 or dual 8-pin requirements. So this is how it looks when I use this tool. In this way, I can easily check voltages with no hustle. So this is it for now, guys. I hope you liked this video. Thank you.